Hey friends, are you tired of dealing with colds and coughs? So today, let's learn how to avoid them. Colds and coughs are mostly caused by viruses that affect our respiratory system. The common cold is caused by rhinovirus, but viruses like coronavirus and RSV can also cause it. A cold can give you a runny or stuffy nose, sneezing, a sore throat, a mild headache, body aches, fatigue, and sometimes even a mild fever. A cough also comes along with it, which is dry at first and can later become phlegmy. These cold and cough viruses spread when a sick person coughs, sneezes, or talks. These viruses can also live on surfaces, so if you accidentally touch something contaminated and then touch your face, you can get sick too. Close contact with sick people, going to crowded places, and not washing your hands properly also increase the risk of catching a cold. The risk also increases during changing weather, especially in winter, as people spend more time indoors. People with weak immunity, young children, and the elderly are more vulnerable. So next time, keep all these things in mind and stay protected from colds and coughs.